Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to zoom out on your computer. Whether everything on your screen looks too big or a web page is way too zoomed in, I'll show you how to fix it on Windows and Mac in just a few seconds. Let's get started. This is the quickest method, and it works on both Windows and Mac. Just hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac and press the minus key. Every time you press it, the screen or page zooms out a little more. To zoom back in, press Control plus or Command plus. And to reset everything back to normal, press Control 0 on Windows or Command 0 on Mac. Simple, fast, and works in most apps and browsers. If the problem is just inside your browser, like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, here's what you do. Click the three dots or the menu icon in the top right corner of your browser. You'll see a zoom option with a plus and minus button right there. Just hit the minus button until the page looks right. You can also just use Control minus, as I mentioned. It does the same thing instantly. By the way, I've written a detailed article with images for each step on my website. Link is in the description if you prefer reading. If everything on your screen looks too big, not just the browser, but your icons, text, taskbar, everything, then you need to change your display settings. Right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. Look for the option called Scale or Change the Size of Text, Apps, and Other Items. Lower the percentage, for example, from 125% down to 100%, and your whole screen will zoom out. Hit Apply, and you're good to go. On a Mac, click the Apple menu and go to System Settings, then Displays. Here you can adjust the resolution. Choosing a higher resolution makes everything appear smaller, which is basically zooming out. Pick the resolution that feels comfortable for you. Here's a quick bonus tip. In most apps and browsers, you can hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac and scroll down with your mouse wheel or trackpad to zoom out instantly. Super handy when you want to do it quickly without touching the keyboard much. And that's it. 5 easy ways to zoom out on your computer. Start with the keyboard shortcut since it works almost everywhere, and if you need to change the whole screen size, head into Display Settings. If this helped you out, give it a like and subscribe for more simple tech tips. See you in the next video.